All right, folks, let's take a look at a little weather information here on a Friday. We've put another week in history, and we got a weekend to look forward to. So we'll be talking about that forecast and beyond. So a pesky rain chance will continue through Monday, and after that, we'll have a just kind of a direct opposite type pattern coming, a drier pattern, but with humidity. And so summer will be arriving by the middle of next week. So let's look at radar where we're seeing some showers and thunderstorms, just a few thunderstorms occasionally to the north of us, and then an area of rain here. In fact, you saw that motion where this part was kind of moving southward and southwestward, and then this was moving northeast. So there's that contrasting motion there. So there's a feature, there's a disturbance in the flow overhead. The movement of the atmosphere overhead is kind of disturbed. And so that's why you got rain today. We had some moisture. It was a humid day, but not overly warm, but it was plenty humid. So a little instability. And so that disturbance aloft kind of squeezed out any moisture in the atmosphere, made some rain out of it. And that's going to continue. That kind of pattern is going to continue through the weekend. Looking at your satellite radar features, front staying to the south of us, you see a good bit of cloudiness all the way from the south central states all the way down in toward the southwestern Gulf of Mexico and the Yucatan Peninsula there. High pressure and control of things farther to the north, though. Futurecast. Let's check out what's going to happen here over the next several days. Because of this persistent rainfall pattern, why is this happening? That feature, remember that I called out when we were talking about the radar data, it's going to hang around. We can see its kind of a faint signature here. This graphic shows warm colors and cool colors of weather systems in the atmosphere. So you see a little weak cool color here for Saturday. Rain chance continues. As we go into Sunday, you can see it's still there. So rain chance continues. And then once we get into Monday, you see it's starting to move out. Rain chance continues, but that will be the last day for a while. And so after that, you see that feature kind of dissipates, and most of the energy is staying to the north of us, and we're staying warm down here. That's our summer forecast here as we start next week. Let's get into the immediate term and check out this weekend for you. Important times. When I was growing up, Saturday mid-morning, we did grocery shopping. So your grocery shopping forecast tomorrow morning, mid-morning, still a rain chance, but it'll be definitely probably more mist than hit. But you see an increase throughout the day when it warms up a little bit, gets a little bit more unstable. And so we get showers. Could be a few thunderstorms. I don't see anything severe with that. And then, of course, the big event Sunday church services there. This is a mid-morning forecast where we still have some lingering rain chances, and that will continue into the day on Sunday as well as your weekend. I'm going to say rain likely. If we get the 60% coverage Saturday and Sunday 50%, most of you will get something one of those days or both of those days. Okay. Temperatures, look at this, cooler than normal. 72 high Saturday, 70 on Sunday. They've got a couple of mornings in the high 50s there going into Monday. But see how the rain chances drop Monday, and then the weather pattern changes as the temperature just jumps up as we head into the middle of next week and the latter part of next week. Little or no rain expected, and so we're going to hit the stride of summer a little bit early there next week. I explicitly have a 90 on Thursday, and that will be, I think, the highest temperature reading. So we haven't had a CENTLA average high of 90 so far this year. We've had a few locations hit 90, but not an average for the whole area. I think that happens at least one day next week, first time of the year. So summer is just around the corner. All right. And we know there'll be plenty more 90s. Nick will see you tomorrow morning, and I'll see you again during the PM hours. And have a safe and super Saturday.